Switching between dark and light themes and threads, a quick guide. Switching themes and threads allows you to customize your messaging experience across different platforms. Here's how. On any device, 1. Open Threads. Launch the Threads app on your mobile device or go to the Threads website on your PC. 2. Access Settings. Look for the settings icon, gear, or 3 dots. 3. Navigate to Themes. Find themes or appearance in the settings menu. 4. Select your theme. Choose Dark for a darker interface. Choose Light for a brighter interface. 5. Apply changes. Close settings and your chosen theme will be applied instantly. Benefits. Darktheme reduces eye strain, ideal for low light conditions. Light theme, suitable for well-lit environments, offers a traditional look. Customize threads on any device to match your preference and environment effortlessly with these simple steps.
Subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials.